Here's the tutorial to the full introduction of Chopin's Ballade number 1. I will be covering bars 1 through 7. In bars 1, 2, and 3, we'll be working with the harmony to understand the arpeggio. First, reduce the arpeggio to its simplest harmony, A flat major chord. At the end, feel the tension B flat brings to it. Try playing it. Next, try playing the arpeggio only using the A flat major chord notes. Once you reach the end of the arpeggio, close with G and F sharp. Listen to their tension. Now play it as written, but put emphasis on the B flat. That's where the weight goes. Chopin writes pesante, meaning heavy. This beginning symbolizes a big heavy curtain opening just at the start of the show. Let's go to bars 4 and 5. After the opening arpeggio lifts the curtain, Chopin begins to shape the setting. The harmony still wanders in mystery. Dissonances like E sharp keep G minor just out of reach. This section acts like a lens, focusing in and pulling us into the story. First, accent the dissonance E sharp so the key disappears into mystery. Also accent the repeated notes E flat and D, making the second one sound like a distant echo. Keep those two things in mind. Follow the dynamic markings and the rest will take care of itself. Now let's move on to bars 6 and 7. In bars 6 and 7, we are introduced to the main character, a solitary voice carrying the emotional weight of the entire story. Start with the right hand melody alone, very legato, shape the crescendo from C to B flat using G as the point of support. Now play both accompanying chords in the left hand. Then release the second chord one note at a time from the bottom up. Now put it together. The melody begins to gain direction as the second chord is released one note at a time. The B flat emerges like the illusion of a single note crescendo, elevating the entire phrase. The C announces that something is about to begin. Then, the heavy curtains open the stage. We are outside of the story. Then, like a lens, we start to focus in. The harmony starts to assert itself. We're entering the story. Suddenly, a lone voice, the protagonist, emerges and is ready to tell its tale. Comment, like, and subscribe.